Hi, our experiment is energy saving with automatic line control with Arduino kit.
Electricity consumption is increasing every year due to the high demand of users. Therefore, the objective of our experiment is the development of energy-saving light system with Arduino kit.
For such experiment, we will need an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, a LED, a resistor, and some cables. We will now continue our project on the energy-saving ultrasonic sensor. We take the LED, long leg on the right, the resistor on the small leg, which is usually on the left. Now we take the ground, here. We connect the ground from the breadboard to the Arduino board. Now we take power from it, and depending on the code we will put it on set pin, which is 13. Now we will connect the sensor. We connect the ground, and we connect it with either the board or the ground, but I'm going to do it with the board. Now we connect the echo pin to the position 12. Now the trig pin to position 11. And the power connector to 5 volts. Now, if we plug it in, and it works. We have the code here. In trig pin 11, the position from the trigger pin. Echo pin 12, the position from the echo pin. LED position 13 for the 13th. And everything works.